Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw a Christmas version of King Kong and a Skullcrawler. So, we're going to start by making King Kong, and we're going to make him look like he is Santa. So, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down and then up like this, kind of like a little Nike symbol. Then right here, I'm going to draw a big curved line like this for the eye. And then I'm going to draw another circle inside here, and I'm going to color in most of this except for a little bit at the top, just for like a little reflection. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line down. And I'm going to just add a little curved line like this for the nose. And I'll draw a little small black dot in there for the nostril. Then I'm going to take this line right here and I'm just going to curve it down. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to curve it back up here into a smile and put a little line right across there. Now under here, I'm going to make a little curved line for the lip. And then I'm going to make a little line that just kind of comes out here like this. And I'm going to curve this all the way back up here above the mouth. Then I'm going to take this and I'm going to curve this around and I'm going to connect it right up here to the eyebrow. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a bumpy little line that's just going to go all the way around to here. And then I'm going to continue it right to here, just to kind of connect it. Then I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes up, and then down like this, and then back up for the hat. And then I'm going to put a little bumpy, kind of like puffy cloud at the end. Then right here, I'm just going to add a little curved line for an ear and put a little squiggly line in there for the inside. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a little line that just kind of goes down and put a couple little points on it, and then I'm going to curve it up to here. Now, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve down. And then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve like this. And then I'm going to make a line that curves up and down. And then I'm going to put a little smiley face line. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve to here. And then I'm going to put a couple more little bumps on it like this for his hand. Then I'm just going to take this and I'm just going to kind of curve it down. And then I'm going to bring it up here and make it a lot skinnier as I get up here. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a little line down for the body. Now, I want to make it look like he's in a sleigh. So starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and it's going to go right to here. And then I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go down. It's going to curve all the way to here. And then I'm just going to start here and I'm going to kind of curve a line that goes right around here and bring it all the way to here. And then I'm just going to curve this line down and connect it to here. Kind of go in and out and back in. Then I'm just going to make two lines here and two lines here. I'm going to connect these with a line that goes across. Then right here I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curl up, and then it's just going to come back to here. Then this one is going to kind of curve back like this and then come down to here. Now, I want to make a little skull crawler up here, and I want it to look like it is pulling him on the sleigh. So, to start this, I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a little line that's just going to kind of go down and up like this, kind of like another little Nike symbol. Then I'm going to make a little line that's just going to kind of curl around here. Sorry, paper's at an angle. Little circle inside here, and I'm just going to color most of it in, leave a little bit white at the top. Then I'm actually going to draw a big circle right around here. And then I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to curve up and then down like this. Then I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve out and down. And then I'm just going to curve it back up like this. Give him a little frowny face. Then right here I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve around. And it's just going to go down, it's going to curve in, and then back out like this. Then I'm just going to add another little kind of curved line right here. Then we'll put a couple little teeth kind of sticking out. Then right here I'm going to draw a line that just goes down here, and then one that just kind of curves up here. I'm going to start here and I'm going to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve like this. And then I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to draw a little line that kind of curves down and then comes back. And then another one here. And then we'll put one more right back here. Then I'm just going to kind of curve this back here, and I'm going to make it real skinny as I get up here. Then I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of goes down, and then it's just going to curve to here. Then I'm going to make a little line that just kind of curves up, and then it's just going to come down and then curve to here. Then right back here I'm just going to draw a little line that just goes down, it's going to curve up and then come down here just to kind of show where the other arm is. Now at the end here I'm going to draw a little curved line for like a little nose. And then I want to give him a little pair of antlers. So I'm just going to draw a line that goes up, and I'm just going to put some little bumps on it. And then I'm going to come back around and do the same thing on the other side. Then I'm going to give him two lines right here for a collar. And then I'm going to add a little circle here. And then just make a line that's just going to curve up, and then we're going to bring it right down into King Kong's hand. And then I'm just going to make another one that does the same thing like this. And then right here on him we'll draw another line that just kind of curves down, and we'll curve one right here for the other thumb. Then right here on the skull crawler, I'm going to put a line that kind of curves down and up for one of his little spikes. And then I'm going to put a couple little kind of spiky lines on the back of him. And we'll bring him right to about here on the tail. Then I'll make a little line that goes right to here, and that's just going to kind of run all the way down here to the tail. And then we'll put some little curved lines on it. Then for some details right here on King Kong, I'm just going to add some kind of spiky lines to show like a difference between his hand and where his arm is. I'm going to add a little line underneath the skull crawler's eyes, and I'll put one underneath King Kong's eyes. Then I'll add another antler here. Do one on this side. Kind of same little zigzag lines all over. And then I'm going to add some little curved lines for some claws on him. And there you go. There is your drawing of a King Kong Santa with a Skullcrawler reindeer. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.